Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. In today's lesson, we are going to learn to use the rhythm of sound to speak the sound of words. We're going to form words that rhyme with the blended letters I, B. Some words that rhyme have the same lettering at the end of the word. The words that we form will rhyme because they follow this rule of having the same lettering at the end of the word. In forming words today, we're going to put one vowel and one or more consonants together to form a blend, which will allow us to form many words using that blend. What is a blend? A blend is two or more letters put together that when we sound out the letters together, they can either make two separate sounds or they can make a whole new sound. In this lesson, we are going to form three-letter words where the letters that are put together to form words will make separate sounds. And as we sound out the words, we will hear their separate sounds. Let us begin forming the first word. Today, we will use the vowel letter I with the consonant B to form the blend that we will use to form words. As you can see, we use the vowel letter I and we put the consonant B at the end of the letter I to form the blend IB. In the blend IB, when the blend is read, each letter makes two separate sounds. Let us sound out the blend together. Say the I sound, I. Say the sound of the B, B. Now say the I sound and the sound of the B together smoothly, IB. Great job. Now, the blend IB is not a standalone word. What is a standalone word? A standalone word is a word that has its own meaning in and of itself. Therefore, since the blend ib in and of itself does not have a particular meaning, it is not a standalone word. The blend ib is merely used to help form words that are standalone words. In this lesson, we will only form words using the blend ib at the end of those words. All the words that are formed ending in the blend ib will have the same ending sound. When words have the same ending sound, they are called rhyming words. When we read rhyming words, reading words from memory becomes easier, making us a faster and more confident reader. Here on the board, we have the blend ib written many times. Here, the blend ib will be used to help us form words. We will put a consonant at the beginning of each blend to form words that have their own meaning. The letters that we blend with the ending blend ib to form words will keep their own sounds when we sound out the letters together that form the words. Now let us make many words that rhyme with the blend ib. When we put the letter B at the beginning of the blend ib, we form the word bib. Let us sound out the word together. Say the B sound, B. Say the sound of the blend, ib. Now say the B sound and the sound of the blend together smoothly, bib. When we put the letter D at the beginning of the blend ib, we form the word dib. Let us sound out the blend together. Say the D sound, D. Say the sound of the blend, ib. Now say the D sound and the sound of the blend together smoothly, dib. When we put the letter F At the beginning of the blend ib, we form the word fib. Let us sound out the word together. Say the F sound. Say the sound of the blend, ib. Now say the F sound and the sound of the blend together smoothly, fib. When we put the letter G at the beginning of the blend ib, we form the word gib. Let us sound out the word together. Say the G sound, a g. Say the sound of the blend, ib. Now say the G sound and the sound of the blend, ib, together smoothly, gib. When we put the letter J at the beginning of the blend, ib, we form the word jib. Let us sound out the word together. Say the J sound, j. Say the sound of the blend, ib. Now say the J sound and the sound of the blend together smoothly, jib. When we put the letter N at the beginning of the blend ib, we form the word nib. Let us sound out the word together. Say the N sound, mm. Say the sound of the blend, ib. Now say the N sound and the sound of the blend together smoothly, nib. When we put the letter R at the beginning of the blend, ib, we form the word rib. Let us sound out the word together. Say the R sound, r. Say the sound of the blend, ib. Now say the R sound and the sound of the blend together smoothly, rib. Great job. Now we will review the words that we have formed in this lesson. Remember that we are to sound out the letters in each word with a smooth flow when we read the word. Ready? Repeat after me. Bib, dib, fib, gib, jib, nib, rib. Great job. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 1. Now, I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few minutes every day and review the words that we formed. And remember that we are to sound out the letters in each word with a smooth flow when we read the word. If you find it difficult to read the words, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can read each word smoothly using the sounds of the letters together. When you can read each word with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of learning to read today, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.